Okay, back again in another Animoji unboxing, and this is actually the last unboxing video that I tried to make with this environment, very dark environment, although this is actually the longest as well, which is a little bit longer than the previous video, but still in 3 minutes, around 3 minutes of video. So basically the rest of the package that I haven't been unboxed is still on the trunk of my car during the time of this video that was recorded. Despite after I tried to unbox more and more package, I still haven't found the one that I basically look for, which is $1 remote, universal remote for the TV on my personal productivity place, which already gone since when I tried to use the universal remote. I'm not sure, it still doesn't really work, so I decided to somehow mod the remote that's, if I'm not mistaken, it should be similar to the one that was lost. But yeah, for some reason the remote package, before I have even unboxed it, it's already lost. I'm not sure where. There is still several packages that I haven't been unboxed, but it should be very old package that I haven't been unboxed. So I'm not sure it contains the remote that I was looking for. And for some reason, I don't know when will I basically try to do another unboxing video, because I actually wanted to left several packages that maybe for the future unboxing video that have a different format, but yeah, I'm still haven't got any package or the things that I basically able to do on my personal productivity places. So I think if tomorrow I will come back into those places, I will probably unbox it, because yeah, I basically wanted to create a live unboxing, but yeah, I think it's just pretty hard to do the setup. So yeah, I think I will try to stick with the regular content, which I try to record and then try to record it twice for the footage from the mirrorless camera and using the computer recording for the emoji voiceover, because yeah, if I just wanted to provide my content, I would probably be able to provide some new things like box as well. I'm not sure.